Hey, thanks for joining our channel. I'm happy to see you here today with us. If you're not a subscriber yet, please do so right now, and we will see you on a regular basis. We'll provide you with quality content on cars, trucks, and travel. In terms of cars, I prefer to work on the BMWs. I grew up with them, and my first quality car was BMW 520 that was made in 1984. Great car with its straight six engine. I learned a lot, enjoyed it a lot. Now this is our ongoing project, 2001 BMW M3 in the E46 body. And if you are in the BMW world, then you know that by now this car is considered to be the best M series car ever made. Why? Well, because it's powerful, not overcomplicated, not overloaded with all the electronic gadgets, and there is no turbo lag with this over 330 horsepower. Absolute consistent level of torque available to you. High quality, soft and smooth materials on the inside. Great execution. All of that makes driving this car an absolute gem. So as working on this car is fun as well. If you're looking for a weekend project or a weekend project slash driver, this would be a good choice, because as much as you will invest love, appreciation and your finance into this car, you will get all of it back, and potentially even more. You can pick up one of these cars between $6,000 to $10,000, depends on the mileage and how much work it will require. In my case, $6,800. I'm about $1,200 into it and about $2,000 more to go. Well, I'm trying to make it as she was back in 2001, but it will be up to you to what level you will decide to go. Shop carefully and you will pick up one of these at a great value, and it will keep rising, and at some point she will pay you back. Now, as we are refreshing the interior of this car, today we're going to be working on replacing the leather boots for the emergency brake and the manual transmission shifter, as well as the shifter knob itself. So if you shop carefully, you can pick up one of these sets, like in my case, here it is. Or, talking about the knobs, for example, if you go on Amazon, you can find that they range in the value between $40 to all the way up to $100. Now if you go on eBay, you can pick one of those up for about $22 plus tax, but it will take you about 6 to 8 weeks to wait. Let's do this upgrade. I'm very excited. I think it will be a very nice touch to this car, as the front leather completely is destroyed on this car due to the reason that I think she was neglected for the last few years, was just parked outside. Let's start with this. Next step is going to be replacing leather on the front seats. I'm going to get an upholstery set. I will show you how it works and what will be the result. Stay tuned. So step number one, get under the boot housing for the shifter. Next, you'll have to apply some force up. So next step, there is no glue. So I would want this joint to be towards the front and the M stitching to be towards the inside of the car. This way. There we go. Give it a couple taps and she is home. Feels good, looks good. Nice. Okay, next step. With the emergency brake boot, it's a little bit different story. But again, you start with just sliding either your fingers or a screwdriver under. There we go. pull it up. Here is your zip tie that you just take it off. So after the zip tie is off, take your old boot off the trim, put the new boot on. If you have similar to mine set with the M stitching, make sure that it goes on the wider side or edge of the trim, and because the narrow goes in the front and the wider side goes in the back, and that's where you want your stitching. Pull it out like so. Boom. Lined up here, lined up here. Looks good. And here is the final product. I think it looks phenomenal. Love the stitching, it's all matching. You know, the steering wheel here too. The knob feels good, performs well. I just took it for a test drive, just see how it feels. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you, or will be at some point of your life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will show you more of what's gonna be happening with this car and other BMWs, trucks and travel, whatever we'll be doing, you will see it. See you later. Bye bye.